The first step in any sales process is understanding what you're selling. This may sound obvious, but you'd be surprised how many entrepreneurs overlook this crucial step. You need to know your product or service inside and out, its features, benefits, limitations, and the problems it solves. This deep understanding will allow you to effectively communicate the value of your offering to potential customers. Knowing your product is not just about memorizing technical details. It's about being able to describe how your product makes your customer's life better. It's about being able to clearly explain how it solves a specific problem or addresses a need. The more you know about your product, the better you will be at tailoring your pitch to different types of customers and providing them with the information they need to make a decision. The second piece of the puzzle is understanding your audience. Who are you selling to? What do they care about? What are their pain points? Without a clear understanding of your target audience, your sales efforts will be much less effective. Entrepreneurs who succeed at sales are those who can connect with their customers by speaking directly to their needs and desires. To understand your audience, you need to get to know them, who they are, what they want, and what motivates them. Are they looking for efficiency, convenience, quality, or affordability? Are they motivated by status, safety, or a desire for improvement? These are the questions you need to ask yourself when defining your audience. Once you understand your customers' pain points and desires, you can better position your product as the solution. You also need to understand the demographics of your audience. Are you selling to millennials, baby boomers, or Gen Z? Are you targeting a specific geographic area or a global market? Each group will have different needs, preferences, and purchasing behaviors. Understanding these nuances allows you to adjust your sales strategy to better reach and resonate with your audience. One of the best ways to understand your audience is through market research. This can be as simple as conducting surveys, reading customer reviews, or speaking directly with customers. Listening to their feedback is a powerful way to gain insights into what they value and how they view your product. Additionally, you can learn from your competitors by studying their customers and their messaging. Another way to better understand your audience is by creating buyer personas. A buyer persona is a fictionalized representation of your ideal customer. By creating a detailed persona, you can start to see your audience in a more tangible way. This helps you understand how they think, what problems they face, and how your product or service can help. The more you know about both your product and your audience, the more effective your sales efforts will be. Armed with this knowledge, you'll be able to craft a pitch that resonates with your potential customers. You'll also be able to anticipate their needs and address objections before they arise. This knowledge will give you confidence when approaching potential clients and ensure you're speaking their language. When you understand what you're selling and to whom you're selling, you're no longer guessing. You're approaching sales with a strategy, armed with the information you need to succeed. As we move forward in this course, you'll learn how to use this understanding to develop a strong sales pitch, build rapport, and overcome objections. All of these skills stem from a deep understanding of your product and your audience. The next lesson will dive into how to build relationships with potential clients, taking what you've learned about your product and audience, and using that knowledge to make meaningful connections. By the end of this module, you'll be well on your way to mastering the fundamental aspects of sales.